Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabil YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable allow background activity on app in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, sir, in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery. Here in battery, okay, you can see here the app battery management. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in app battery management, okay, you can select the app you want to set the allow background activity. So okay guys, for my example, I select the Facebook app. And okay guys, here, so you can see the power consumption control section. Here you can see the allow background activity. And the allow background activity is disable or turn off. Okay, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up are show, okay, now allow all background activity for Facebook app. So okay guys, you'll have to do is tap allow button to enable the allow background activity. So if this enable, do not restrict background activity for this app. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled allow background activity on app in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.